Imagine looking up at the night sky. Thousands of tiny points of light scattered across the darkness. They seem small, quiet, almost insignificant, but that's an illusion. Because some of those distant stars are so unimaginably large, they could swallow our entire solar system whole. Not just Earth, not just the planets you know, everything. The Sun, Jupiter, Saturn, even the vast emptiness between them, all of it gone inside a single star. The Sun, Jupiter, Saturn, even the vast emptiness between them, all of it gone inside a single star. It feels enormous to us, and it truly is. About 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. Its gravity controls everything around us. Every planet, asteroid, and comet depends on it. Without the Sun, there is no solar system. And yet, in the grand scale of the universe, the Sun is nothing special. It's an average star. Now imagine replacing it with something bigger, much bigger. Picture waking up and seeing a massive red sphere stretching across the sky. It doesn't rise or set. It just dominates everything. This is what it would be like if our sun were replaced by a red supergiant. One of the most famous examples is UY Scuti. This star is so large, its surface would stretch past the orbit of Jupiter. Mercury, gone. Venus, Earth, Mars disappears. Even Jupiter is inside the star. Even Saturn might not be safe. UY Scuti's size is more than 10 times the distance from Earth to the Sun. It would take over 200 years just to fly around it. And yet, UY Scuti is not alone. There are other giants out there, even larger candidates. Stars like Stephenson 218, believed by some astronomers to be even bigger. These stars are so vast that their edges fade into space like glowing fog. They are not dense, in fact, they are incredibly thin. Their material is less dense than the air you're breathing right now. Deep inside, nuclear fusion is happening at an extreme rate. As they run out of fuel, their outer layers expand further and further. They live fast and die young compared to stars like our Sun.
When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it collapses.
And then an explosion, a supernova. For a brief moment, one star can outshine an entire galaxy. Light from that explosion can travel across millions of light years. The outer layers are blasted into space, creating something new. New stars, new solar systems, new planets.
And possibly new life.
The atoms in your body were created inside stars like these.
You are literally made of star matter.
Our solar system feels enormous to us. But some stars are larger than that entire span. Their visible surface alone can cover everything. The Earth wouldn't orbit it. It would already be inside it. There would be no empty space, only a glowing ocean of stellar material.
Endless in every direction.
And yet, even these giants are tiny compared to the universe. The universe contains hundreds of billions of galaxies.
There may be even larger stars out there, waiting to be discovered. These stars remind us how small we are.
But also how connected we are to everything. Because without them, we wouldn't exist. And somehow, from those giants, came everything you are.